Today, we're looking at a brand new tool for making sense of our wild online world. Social media can feel like a black box full of hidden algorithms and echo chambers. And for researchers, studying it is tough. There are data lockouts, ethical hurdles. We need a better way. The solution is this idea called a digital twin, basically a virtual sandbox for social media. It lets researchers test out big ideas in a safe, controlled way, with zero real-world risk. And that's exactly where YSocial comes in. It's a powerful platform that makes all this possible.
It's built on 4 modules that work together, from the backend server to an easy-to-use interface.
You can customize pretty much everything: the AI personalities, the news feeds, even the recommendation algorithms. So to put it to the test, researchers created a simulation called the Political Debate Arena. They dropped in 1,000 AI agents, split by political leaning, and let them go for 60 days.
And the results were fascinating. Both groups talked about the economy, but they framed it completely differently.
Just look at the hashtags. One side's using hashtag #GoGreen, while the other's using hashtag #AmericaFirst. But here's the twist. Even with that polarized language, the actual emotions they expressed were surprisingly similar. The simulation also showed how the social network itself changed over time. So even though the two groups started connecting, they mostly stayed within their own political bubbles. So what's the big deal? Why is a tool like this so important right now? Well, it lets us safely study huge issues like algorithmic bias, fake news, and online psychology. And here's the best part. You can get your hands on this powerful tool right now. YSocial version 2.5.0 has just been released.
And it's ready to download for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux.
You can find it and get started over at ynot.social. So the only question left is, what are you going to discover?